In today's video, I'll be reviewing the SCHWINN 100 Lumen Quick Wrap Light set right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I just recently picked up this brand new 100 Lumen Quick Wrap Light set for my e-bike. This is made by SCHWINN, so before I even open it, I want to go over some features and show you what it looks like, and then we'll see how bright this 100 lumen bike LED set truly is. So looking at the package, this says that it's best used for city well-lit areas, because they also have brighter ones which are better for the road. Then they even have 500 lumen sets which are good for the trail as well, and those are very bright. But I don't want to push my limits. I want to get something basic as a backup, and as you know, almost all e-bikes have lights, but this is pretty good for any bike that's out there, pretty much whether it's a bicycle or electric bike. Looking on the right hand side, it says enhanced side visibility. This has an extra bright cob LED tail light. Well, this is the tail light right here, and it has a steady and flash mode, so it's got two different modes, and you do not need any tools to install this. That's why it's called the Quick Wrap Light Set, which is very easy to install. I'll show you guys here in a minute what it will look like on the handlebar. And this is the power on and off button. That's the same button that you toggle. That's the same button used to toggle between the different modes. It's a pretty nice light. It's about maybe 2.5 to 3 inches long, and that's actually on the light side. Now looking on the back, you're probably wondering how many hours this light set actually powers for. So looking at the tail light, which gives you 10 lumens of brightness, the tail light uses two AAA batteries, and they are not rechargeable. They are actually replaceable. So once those batteries are dead, after depending on your usage, of course, you just put a brand new set of AAA batteries. You need two of them. And in steady mode, it will last you 22 hours. And flash mode, it will last you 172 hours. The beam distance is 14 feet for the tail light. Now for the headlight will give you 100 lumens of brightness. It is rechargeable via USB, and that USB is included here on the bottom, as you can see on the package. And in steady mode, it will last you 6 hours, and in flash mode, it will last you 49 hours. That's pretty good in my opinion. 400 lumen headlight, and beam distance is 272 feet, so you can be seen from a good amount of distance, I would say. So let me go ahead and open up the package, and then we'll see how bright both of these lights are, the headlight and the tail light. Alright guys, so now that I've opened up the package, this is what the headlight looks like. Here's the power button on top, and this is the same button used to toggle between the flash mode and the steady mode, which of course has two different buttons. It's got the SCHWINN logo. I like that is black and white. And when you are charging it, from my knowledge, the sides light up. When it lights up green, it means the headlight is fully charged, and when it's red, that means it's still charging. So you just keep it plugged in. And in order to plug it in, like I said earlier, it does come it actually comes with a USB-A to a USB-C cable, and you just remove this piece of rubber right here which protects it. I believe this headlight is also waterproof, so basically plug this in. You just want to plug it in nice and sturdy, and then it will start charging for you. So let me go ahead and put that aside. And then of course, before you mount the headlight, you need to mount the wrap around your handlebar. You basically wrap this around. That's why it's called a Quick Wrap Light Set, around your front handlebar, and then you basically slide the headlight right into it, and you can hear that clip, and now it would look something just like this. And of course, if you ever need to remove the headlight in order to charge it, or for any other reason, you press down on this lever right here, this piece. You press down, and that's the release, and then you pull the headlight towards you, and that releases the headlight, but this piece stays on the handlebar, of course. So, and then let me show you the tail light. The way this would work, you just wrap this piece right around your handlebar, and then you choose one of these depending how thick your handlebar is. And once you have it locked in place, this tail light is also removable. This piece right here, you push down on it, and the tail light will slide, and you also slide to your right at the same time. So this piece stays on your seat post, and then here is your tail light. And the way to turn on this tail light is, here's the power button right here. Alright guys, so in order to turn on the tail light, before you do that, here's the power button right here to turn it on and off. But before you do that, you actually need to like activate the tail light itself, because it has a to prevent the batteries coming on, to prevent the tail light from coming on during transit or whatnot while it's in a package, to prevent any accidents. They actually have a piece of plastic inside, so you need to remove the thread cover. So what you need to do is, you need to put your thumbnail, you need to pull this red plastic piece off. So you pull off from, you just basically pull that off, and you hang on to the black piece, and you try to pull towards you on the front piece, and you can see here's the piece of plastic preventing the battery connection to the unit. And now to put it back on, you just snap it back on. You can hear the click there. And now to turn on the tail light, you just press the power button right here. There goes one. There goes the flashing mode. So I believe it just has two modes. There's one steady mode. You press it again, there's the flashing mode. And then, of course, when you are ready to install it on your bike, you just slide it back on and you are good to go. And then the headlight, let me show you how bright this is. Now, in order to turn on the headlight, you just press the power button one time. You can see right there, I believe that was the high beam. This is the medium beam, and this is the low beam. Now, if you want to change to the flashing mode, you double click. There goes the high beam, there goes the medium beam, and there goes the low beam. In order to turn it off, you press and hold down the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds, and the light shuts itself off. So I'm going to show you this one more time. That was the low flashing mode. This is the medium flashing mode, and this is the high flashing mode. So I'm going to switch to, I'm going to double click on the power button. This is high, this is medium, and this is low steady mode. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this is a very nice light set that I'll be using probably most of the time, or as a backup, either or. But I like this design. It's nice and sleek design, and it should provide a nice, adequate, a decent amount of light, whether you know, if you're riding around in the city and whatnot, in the parks and whatnot. So people are actually aware that there's, you know, a bike or electric bike coming towards them, whether you go on the road or on the sidewalk or whatnot. So I think this is a nice an added safety feature, at least in my opinion, whether it's at night or in the daytime, because I like to have some type of flashing light on the front and the back of my bike anytime I am riding on it, as I ride my bike quite a bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you are new to the channel, go and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. It doesn't cost you guys anything, but it really helps me out. So if you do, I truly appreciate it. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description for you, so you guys can go ahead and find that. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please go ahead and drop me a line right down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.